Hey everyone, and welcome back to MindOfff Meditation channel. So, you decided to try meditation. You've heard all about the amazing benefits, less stress, more focus, inner peace, but when you actually sit down to do it, crickets. Or worse, a mental tornado. If you're feeling like your meditation practice isn't successful, or maybe even that you're failing at it, I want you to know one thing. You are not alone, and you're definitely not failing. Today, we're diving into 6 super common reasons why your meditation might not be feeling like the Zen experience you hope for, and more importantly, what you can do about it. Reason 1. Expecting immediate results. It's so easy to think that the moment you close your eyes, a wave of profound calm will wash over you, or you'll suddenly unlock the secrets of the universe. But meditation is a practice, a skill that deepens over time. Imagine trying to play a complex piece of music perfectly on your first try. Unlikely, right? If you go in expecting instant enlightenment, that pressure can actually block the very experience you're seeking. Solution focus. So, the key here? Patience. Think of it like planting a seed. You water it, give it sunlight, and trust the process. Reason 2, racing thoughts. This is a big one. So many people tell me, I can't meditate. My mind won't go quiet. Here's a game changer. Meditation isn't about eliminating thoughts. Our brains are thought-generating machines. That's what they do. Solution focus. The practice is about learning to observe those thoughts without judgment, like watching clouds drift across the sky. You notice them, acknowledge them, and gently bring your focus back to your anchor, like your breath. It's about changing your relationship with your thoughts, not stopping them. Reason 3. Inconsistent practice. Think about learning any new skill, playing an instrument, a sport, a language. If you only practice once in a blue moon, progress is going to be slow and frustrating. Meditation is no different. Solution focus. Regularity is key. Even 5 to 10 minutes a day, practice consistently, is far more effective than a random hour-long session once a month. Build it into your routine, find a time that works for you, and try to stick with it. Consistency builds momentum. Reason 4. Wrong technique. There isn't a one-size-fits-all meditation style. What works wonders for one person might feel totally off for another. If a particular technique feels like a struggle or just doesn't resonate, it doesn't mean meditation isn't for you. It just means that specific technique might not be your jam right now. Solution focused. Don't be afraid to explore. There's guided meditation, breath-focused, vipassana, mantra meditation, body scans, loving kindness meditation. Try a few different types. You might be surprised what clicks. Reason 5. Too much self-criticism. Are you constantly judging your meditation sessions? My mind wandered again. I didn't feel peaceful enough. I'm a terrible meditator. Being hard on yourself during or after your practice can completely undo any potential benefits. Solution-focused meditation is an act of self-compassion. Be gentle with yourself. Every session is different. Some days will feel focused, others will feel scattered, and that's perfectly okay. The aim is to show up with kindness and curiosity, not judgment. Reason 6. Discomfort or restlessness. If you're physically uncomfortable, your back hurts, your leg is asleep, you're slumping, it's going to be really hard to settle your mind. Similarly, if you're super tired, you might just drift off to sleep instead of meditating, which is fine if you need sleep, but it's not meditation. Pay attention to your posture. Sit in a way that's alert but relaxed. Use cushions for support if needed. If sitting still is a real challenge, try walking meditation, and maybe avoid meditating right when you're about to fall asleep, unless that's your specific goal. Recap and encouragement. So, to quickly recap, the 6 common reasons your meditation might not be feeling successful are: expecting immediate results, getting caught up in racing thoughts, inconsistent practice, using the wrong technique for you, too much self-criticism, and physical discomfort or restlessness. Remember, meditation is a journey, not a destination. The most important thing is to be patient, kind to yourself, and willing to explore what works best for you. I'd love to hear from you. Which of these reasons resonated the most? Or do you have other challenges with your meditation practice? Share your experiences and any questions you have in the comments below. I'd be happy to offer some more personalized insight if I can. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more videos to help you on your wellness journey.